Hello viewers, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between demand and desire. Most of the time people are thinking that demand and desire both are the same thing. But there is a major difference between demand and desire. Basically, demand means when you are willing to buy a product and you have the power to buy that product. You are willing and you have the power to buy that product, then it is called your demand. So in order to say anything your demand, you must have to fulfill these two conditions. The first one is willingness and the second one is purchasing power or ability or the money or the price of that commodity. And desire mean only willingness. You are willing to buy a product, but you have not the power, you have not the price of that product, then this will call your desire. For example, if you want to buy a bread, okay, and the price of that bread is 20 rupees, and if you don't have 20 rupees in your pocket, then this bread will be called your desire. On the other hand, if you want to buy a BMW car, and for example the price of that BMW car is 500 million, okay, 500 million is the price of that a car, and you have 500 million in your pocket, then this will be your demand. So if you are willing to buy a product and you have the purchasing power to buy that thing, then this thing will be called your demand. On the other hand, if you are only willing to buy a product but you have not the purchasing power, then this act will be called as your desire.